Sorry for disturbance. Yeah, we are dealing with the class and concept of the object. Here, there is a class we have created, class car. Class car has color variable string. We have assigned it as a red. Then we are creating in a main method. We are creating object of car class, that is my obj, and we are printing this color. Let us run this program. Let us see what happens. Red, the object, whatever the value inside the color is going to be printed. Okay, it is quite simple. So we can create more than one object. Obviously car has object as Volkswagen, Maruti 800, etc, etc, even Audi, Mercedes. So you can create multiple object of a single car class. Okay, so my obj1 and my obj2, these are the two objects we are creating. Both has the color red. So this is quite simple, you people can easily understand. Now as we can create multiple objects, we can also create multiple classes as well. So here is a car class. We are created car class. We can run example, this example also. Same red will come. Okay, let us see the next part of this. Okay, this is the we have created a my class, which has a variable string color which is assigned with red. Maximum speed, it is an integer which is 200. Full throttle, this the car is going as fast as it can. This is the three things we have created inside a class, my class. We have created two variables. One of them is string, another one is integer, and we have created a method. Okay, so in the next part, what we are doing, we are creating the object of my car class. Max speed, we are getting max speed and color. Max speed is red and color is 200. These things will be printed on our screen. This is quite simple. Okay, it is quite simple. So here complete class is created. We are creating the car class, string model, string color, int year, means in which year it is created. कारचा ऑब्जेक्ट, आपण कारचा ऑब्जेक्ट बनवतो फोर्ड, न्यू कार, मॉडेल मस्टंग, कलर रेड, फोर्ड डॉट ईयर 1969. Then we are creating the another car object, Opel Astra white 2005. Then we are printing model of those class. Let us run the example, Mustang and Astra. It is quite easy. Okay, then there is another example. Let us run that. It is going to fast as it can. What this class is, car class. We have created color and max speed. What we are printing in this, we are calling the full throttle method. Full throttle method has the message the car is going fast as it can, means our output will be the car is going as fast as it can. Okay, no problem at all. Okay, so there is a different kind of classes we have created. Okay, this is quite easy. Car.cs, program.cs. We have created two classes, car.cs, program.cs. Okay, you can create as many classes, or you can create as many methods as you want. You can create as many files for a class. Okay, so let us see the next part. C# constructor. As I have already told you about constructor, C# has number of constructor. I have given you example of inheritance as well. So this time we have seen the constructor. let me summarize what constructor means, what constructors are. You can create object, but if you want to take care of an object, then you need a constructor. जशी तुम्ही तयार झाल्यानंतर आई वडिलांची किंवा मोठ्या बहीण भावांची गरज असते, ते कन्स्ट्रक्टर असतात आई वडील. तसंच प्रत्येक ऑब्जेक्टच्या बाबतीत पण तशी गोष्ट आहे. ओके, सो लेट अस सी द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ थिंग्स. Let us see the access modifier in C#. C# has different kind of access modifiers. There is a public access modifier, means public. If you declare any variable as a public, this access specifier means visibility of that object will be throughout the program. ऑल क्लासेस किंवा प्रोग्राममध्ये कुठे किती क्लास असेल सगळ्या क्लासमधून ते ॲक्सेस करू शकतात. प्रायव्हेट, द कोड इज ओनली ॲक्सेसिबल विदिन सेम क्लास. प्रोटेक्टेड, कोड इज ॲक्सेसिबल विदिन द सेम क्लास अँड ऑल्सो ॲक्सेस्ड इन 5 मिनटं फक्त. ॲक्सेस्ड इन इनहेरिटेड क्लास. इंटरनल इज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ आवर सिलेबस. here is the example of private access specifier. मस्त. Here is the example of private access specifier. ओके, कारण याच्या बाहेरून ॲक्सेस करतोय आपण, ते ॲक्सेस होणार नाही अशी एरर येते. दुसरं एक्झाम्पल, कार मॉडेल इज नॉट ॲक्सेसिबल ड्यू टू दिस प्रोडक्शन लेवल. ओके, पब्लिक ॲक्सेस स्पेसिफायर. पब्लिक म्हणजे ते कुठूनही ॲक्सेस करता येऊ शकतात. ॲक्सेस स्पेसिफायरची का गरज पडते? कारण आपण मल्टिपल क्लासेस बनवतो, त्यामुळे ॲक्सेस स्पेसिफायरची गरज असते. ओके, हे C# आहे, खूप इझी आहे. आपण बघतोय. काय अडचण असतील, प्रश्न असतील तर विचारत चला. थँक्यू, धन्यवाद.